Steve Allen here, Off-Road Grind and Bentley Custom Off-Road. And I have not put a build up in a while, but they're coming. Gosh, what is it? July, middle of July, I went to a conference in Orlando, Florida, and then I spent a month up at our house up in Colorado. So we've been busy up there getting that ready. I am working on a GX 460 right now. We just made some rock sliders for it, and working on a rear bumper and a front insert bumper, winch mount bumper on that. And I did a huge job the last 2 weeks on a 5th gen 4Runner 21 TRD Offroad. Roof rack, ladder, rear bumper with dual swing outs, and a front winch bumper. What else was there? I think that was it. Roof rack, ladder, sliders, bumpers. Anyways, that build's coming. And also I've got a 95 2nd gen, beautiful truck. We did rock sliders on, a plate bumper for the back, and a big single tire, single centered tire carrier on the back. That looked really sweet too. So I'll have that build coming up soon. I've been working on those now that I'm back from Colorado, and gosh, so I'm just wrecked at the end of the day. It's so hot here in Houston. So those builds are coming. Stay tuned. Like and subscribe if you want to catch the notifications on those. And yeah, we got some good stuff going on. Lots of good builds happening. So have a great day. Stay cool.